this one from Mama Glenn. Okay, thank you to Mama Glenn. Wow! What's this? Teddy bear. You like it? Yes. This one from Kuya RM. Okay. Check what's inside. Check what's inside. Wow! Oh, it's a dress. Can you show the other one, Mila? Can you show the pink color dress? Do you like it? Yeah. And this is from Ate Chanti. Say thank you, Ate Chanti. Yeah. It's your gift from Ate Chanti.
It's mine. It's my gift.
Oh, open. Wow, what's that?
Dad.
Wow, it's another dress. Show it to me. Can I see? Can I see the dress? Give it to me. Wow. Wow, it's a shirt. And pajama. Thank you, Ate Chanti. Put it there, put it there. This one's so big. Who give this one? This is from Ading Zira.
It's mine.
Yes, from Ading Zira.
It's mine.
Okay. Open. Open. What's this? Look. Oh, what's that? Wow. It's a dollhouse. Wow. Let's open. Wow. It's color. What color is this? What color? Color purple. Color purple. Wow. Let's open. Do you like it? So much? Okay. Let's open. Mommy will help you. Wow. It's a color. And a sticker. And a coloring. Look. Wow. Yeah, later. Let's open the other gift. Wow. So many colors.